You make an impact wherever you go. Your strong, potent, enticing energy just draws others to you. People cannot help but stop and stare whenever you enter a room. You have that transformative energy that makes people think outside of the box, that makes people connect to parts within themselves that they've kept hidden for a very long time. Your independence is extremely enticing. You don't wait for others to give to you because you give to yourself. And those that try to undermine you, those that have tried to dim your shine, it doesn't affect you because you've worked on yourself, or you are working on yourself. And you're learning that sometimes when people have projected upon you, whether in the now, hopefully not, or in the past, it was based off the fact that they were unsure about themselves. They were still learning about themselves. They were working through what they didn't like about themselves, and seeing you in your power made these individuals feel inadequate. Unfortunately, some people may feel as if you are overconfident, so they have to humble you. Or some people feel as if because you carry yourself in a certain way, they have to bring you down to their level. But once they get to know you, once they see the heart behind this confidence, they get to realize that you are a sweetheart. You know, because who you are on the outer, yes, you are very powerful. Yes, you are regal. But once people get to, or get the privilege to connect with you, they then realize that you're very family orientated. Some of you may have come from a broken home. Some of you were not born with a silver spoon in your mouth, right? And this makes you very relatable because despite this fact, you have a heart of gold. Despite this fact, you are the type of person that is a leader. You do not give up on yourself. You encourage, you inspire, and you empower others to do the same. Once people find out about your story, they're going to be quite shocked if they do not know your story already. You are here to bring change. You are the generational curse breaker. You are here to transform. You are here to heal. And even if you do not talk to people, say for instance, you're walking down the street, you go into the shops, etc., people can just sense the energy of power that you exude. Your energy is so hypnotic. You can entice another person without even trying. Even if you're covered up, people feel like you are penetrating through their soul. People are taken aback by your work ethic. You put in so much intensity in regards to your work, to the point where some people try and compete with you. You upset the status quo. You are an original. You are a non-conformist. And some people that want to keep things as the same as the way things used to be may find you to be a bit of a problem. But you're okay with that. You're here to lead others just like yourself. You're here to be the voice of those individuals that felt like they were the outcasts, the black sheeps of the family. Because you may have been the black sheep of your family, but guess what? That black sheep is now a goat. Many jealous family members have no choice but to respect you. Yeah, they left you out in the cold way back then. Looked down upon you, thought that you would amount to nothing. Thought that you will continue the line of coming from a broken home. Thought that you will not inherit generational wealth. But guess what? You are transforming all of that and some more. Because you keep investing in yourself and focusing on yourself, Spirit is going to bless you abundantly. And you are keeping people on their toes. Many people want to compete with you, but they cannot keep up with you. You're always 10 steps ahead. And you don't take things too seriously. Even though there's a lot of fixation and obsession with your energy and your next move, you're all about having fun, being a good person, connecting with like-minded souls. You're all about your bag, no doubt, but you don't let it consume you. You just want to be secure for yourself, for your children, for your future. And some of you could be in relationships right now, and even though you can look after yourself, your partner still wants to invest in you because you are very nurturing and you are the embodiment of the Empress, whether you are a masculine or a feminine. And your energy moves people and it can upset some people. Some people feel like you're being overt in regards to how you express your sensuality. And some of you may not even realize that people perceive you in such a way, especially if you're a person that covers up. But it doesn't matter. Even if you're wearing a hoodie, even if you're wearing jogging bottoms, jeans, a coat, your essence, your sensuality radiates through. People can't quite put their finger on it, but you do have this very hypnotizing gaze. And because your energy is so soft-natured, it gives off a very mothering, healing, and comforting energy. Some people feel like you're manipulating them, you're enticing them, and you just exude warmth. People fear you. Some people fear getting too close to you, especially in regards to romantic relationships, because they feel and sense the depth of you, and they feel like if they are to open up to you, you have the capabilities to destroy them. But you have worked on your toxic traits and you acknowledge the power that you possess, and you acknowledge the fact that the power that you possess needs to be used for the good. And so you pour your energy into your work. And people sense by how you pour into your work, by how you pour into yourself, by how you pour into your children, if you have children, they will be poured into too. And some people may feel like they ain't got enough to pour into you in the same way because you have so much depth and you go hard and it's extremely attractive, but it's extremely intimidating to some people. And Spirit's saying, don't change, because the right person that is a match to you will be accepting of this fact. Your energy is wrapped around sensuality, depth, and it's given siren-like energy. People are scared to get swept away by you. You are very seductive. It's in your gaze, as I keep saying. I feel more so it's in your aura. You pull people towards you. You're like a mermaid. People feel like you can see through them. Scares them sometimes. Especially those that want to date you, or those that you are in a romantic relationship with, or those that you are in a situationship with, in a talking stages with, whatever the case, even exes. Your energy lingers to the point where these exes still obsess over you. They can't get enough of you. You are the one that got away. Many people see you as husband or wife material. You are the standard. You are exceptional. I done a video about that yesterday. You may want to go and check that out. And many people feel like you're intimidating because you just got everything that they could ever wish for. And you are a fantasy in full form. You're too good to be true. You are these individuals of the signs, could be Scorpio, Virgo, Pisces twice, Leo twice, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio again, Taurus 3 times, Libra, and Pisces again. Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. Many people see you as an enigma, a manifestation in full form. Who are you?